Hello, Luis. This is Brent with Coliseum Lexus of Oakland. Wanted to share with you the 2014 IS 250 Esport that we were talking about last night. Let's take a look. I want to let you know this car has detail written on the window because it's still a fresh in trade. We haven't even detailed it yet. This is how clean it is naturally. Okay. I want to show you the odometer here. Okay. Over the shoulder look for the driver after looking at the back seat. It also comes equipped with the backup camera, navigation as well. Talking well kept, one owner, 28,000 miles on a 2014. I don't know how you beat that. All right, give me a call back.